We find only traditional sheep farming in our country till today. Landless people graze their sheep in community grazing lands. Sheep herds moving from region to region are also common. But the availability of grazing land is decreasing very fast. Getting labor for sheep grazing is difficult. Community grazing lands have disappeared by encroachment. Sheep get enough fodder only during the rainy season. They spend more energy on wandering in search of food. Hence, the growth is slow and is up to 2 kilograms per month maximum. Most of the farmers do not provide feed and fodder at home. Hence, these grazing sheep gains up to 25 to 30 kilograms maximum in 1.5 to 2 years. Traditional farmers keep only the local breeds, which cannot grow more. Streams and rivers dry up by December. Hence, these sheep do not get clean water to drink. Polluted water brings diseases and parasites. Eggs in the fecal matter hatch and enter the body of grazing sheep. Due to natural crossing while grazing in herd, planned breeding is not possible. Of course, the initial investment and the management expenses are very less in traditional sheep farming. However, this open grazing system is not at all advisable for commercial sheep farming for high quality meat production. Stall feeding is the only solution. Hence, we have visualized the stall-fed system as an alternative for traditional sheep farming in this documentary film. There is one more intermediate system of sheep farming. Farmers with sufficient grazing land graze the sheep in the daytime. Provide nutritious feed and fodder at home in addition. This system is popular in sparsely populated developed countries. They have grazing lands exclusively for sheep. Only one person with few trained dogs maintains thousands of sheep. Even they use helicopters to chase the sheep. This system is called semi-intensive, in which the feeding cost is less. Hence, the net profit is more. Many farmers in our country also practice this system. Sheep grazing on multiple species of plants get balanced nutrition.